As Guyana embarks on the green path of development, head of the Department of Environment, NDB Schwartz, explained how 3 Rio Conventions are critical to this process in this Stacey Carmichael report.
The Department of Environment embarked on an initiative with stakeholders to examine how the 3 Rio Conventions can be mainstreamed into our national development processes. The 3 conventions are the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, and the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Head of the department, NDB Schwartz, explains.
One of the important elements of the project that we are doing is what we refer to as a learning by doing process. It involves all stakeholders, and it's not only stakeholders from government, but private sector as well, coming together to say how the 3 conventions can be mainstreamed into our national development processes.
Schwartz believes that in the past, limited capacity hampered the country's uptake of these conventions. The project aims to build Guyanese's capacity for future development.
It not only applies to the Rio Convention. That capacity that is built will also enable us to be able to be more responsive to other environmental conventions that the government has signed on to.
The Department and the United Nations Development Programme Global Environmental Facility are implementing the project titled Strengthening Technical Capacities to Mainstream and Monitor Rio Convention Implementation Through Policy Coordination. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.